So welcome again to our YouTube channel. So if you bought the sports combo, the 4-in-1 sports machine, in this video we are going to show you how to use it thoroughly. All right, so if you're at home and you're looking for something to work out, this is the go for you. Now we have 4 machines. You can see this one is a tummy trimmer for tummy, as the name stands, for your abs. This one is a skip rope for you to skip. Those of you who know how to, this one is to burn excess fat from the body normally. And this one is there are 2 of them in number. These ones are for the lower part of the hand. All right, and also you can see them affecting your chest. Now this one is basically for the upper part of the arm, the biceps and the triceps. So this combo, we normally say, I don't know if you got from us or anywhere, we sell it at 15,000 francs and 1,000 francs delivery fee. And this is how it comes packed together like this. So if you're new to this channel and you want to get it, just send us a DM. And don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe. So we are going to show you the different sports that you can do with this particular thing for you to keep fit and healthy. All right guys, enough of the talking, let's go. So this is the first one. This one, like I said, it works mostly for your biceps. All right, it can work small for your chest, but also there is an effect on the back. It works your back. All right, so this is for my guys who want to, and it's not as easy as it looks. It's difficult, it's hard, but it is effective. Look at how it affects the back. You can see how it affects the back. You can see how those muscles are contracting and actually relaxing. You can see them, right? So this one you pull by the side. Now it depends on the arm you want to walk. The arm you want to walk is supposed to remain downwards, and the one which is walking will just help in holding it upwards. Then you pull downwards. We advise you do this thing like if you wake up in the morning, and for this one, if you can try to do 50, that is 10 reps 5 times. I mean 10 of those things, those pullings, like you do them 5 times, that is 50. It is good every morning, but you just start. You can increase it as the days go by because your muscles are going to get used to. All right, you are seeing it is effective, and it is not as easy as it looks, like I said, but it is very effective and trains it. You see how he's stretching it together. Yeah. This next one now works your lower part of your hand, like I said, and your chest. You can see how as he's pressing it, he's actually working his chest too, because you're applying a lot of pressure to make it happen. And it is not easy too, like the other ones. All right? Yeah, it is not easy. You're seeing how his veins and muscles are contracting and relaxing. That is how this one works.
So it's good. It's always good for the beginners to do 25 counts, 4 reps. You start in a very simple way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Around 4 times at least. So you take a deep breath and then you go for the second count. Okay, with this is for the abs. So it's always good to have a mat where you walk better. So this is how I will demonstrate. You have your leg right pinned to the floor, and then your upper body makes the movement. You can do 10 counts, 4 reps. Example: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. No pain, no gain. It's never easy. Okay, like I was saying, this is another workout with this same material. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. You do this 4 times.
So guys, thank you for watching that video. Don't forget to like our video. Don't forget to subscribe. Share this to a friend or a loved one. Those who want to go into exercises and don't know which gadget to use, this is the channel to come and check what we have in store for you. And in the next 3 months, we are going to have a lot more and more for you. Don't forget, we have a lot of videos that we are going to do. Like we promised last year, the video on how to use a yam pounder, many things you can do with it. We are still preparing it because we want to show you the different types of yam pounders available. So guys, show us love and see you in our next video.